YouTube, welcome to Southern Mom Life. My name's Amanda. I'm a mom of 3 and a wife, and we're going to get on into this clean with me. Okay, so in today's clean with me, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, something that hasn't really hit YouTube yet. So for a while there was husbands doing voiceovers for their wives. In today's clean with me, my daughter, who is 5, is going to be doing her voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Folding clothes right now, and I'm helping little helper. Okay, my mommy is dusting the TV stand. My mommy is wiping the coffee table. And vacuuming her living room floor. We like a clean house. And
hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Well, my mommy is wiping the table. And she's cleaning the kitchen.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Now my mommy is sweeping the kitchen. We want a nice kitchen. Now my mommy's mopping the kitchen. It looks so nice and shiny. I like a clean house. Wiping the stove and the counters. My mommy is cleaning the kitchen sink and the counters. Mommy is putting some oil down the drains to make it smell good.
For everybody who is subscribed to me already, please tell me what in this video you really enjoyed. Let me know, give me feedback. If there was something you didn't like about this video, let me know that too. I love the positive and all of it, and you guys are great. Thank you so much. I am so happy we have reached 200 plus subscribers. Alright YouTube, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.